How much was that cat food? Royal Canin? That must be the best of the best, man.
Pretty good.
It's pretty good. Have you ate it?
Ooh, this is.
You actually ate it?
Yeah. It's fish.
Oh wait, shit.
Here.
Okay.
And then this is the cabbage. They're bad. I don't know.
Okay, well, you guys can buy some more cabbage on the way back.
Okay. This is the cheese, right?
Yeah.
And then you just need to make the beef. That's all. And you don't even have to put the oil.
Comes back down. This place is burned down.
And then you just need to cut these up. And then when the cabbage comes in.
Yeah, we know how to cook.
Here. I think that's all. Peace out.
Hey, yo, Google this shit real quick.
You actually,
Oh, she's still here.
You actually don't know?
Yes, we know.
Okay. Bye.
Goodbye.
Let's go.
I love the Google Doc, bro.
Alright, they left us all alone in the house. So now it's our cooking channel. First things first, wash your hands.
In between the fingers, everywhere. Where are the seasonings?
Then we gotta beat the meat first. Oh. Seasonings.
Oh wait, what is this?
Taco.
Onion powder, okay, maybe we can make do with that. Paprika, I don't know what we'd use paprika for. Black peppercorn. Extra spicy Mrs. Dash. She has no salt.
Does she not have salt? No way, it's probably behind this. What if she keeps it in the fridge?
No, I cannot. I can say that she doesn't keep her salt in the fridge. Wash the tomatoes, bro. To the clean.
Extra flavor.
Burning already?
Just my skin burning.
Seasoning. Let that simmer up for a little bit, bro.
Excuse me. I need a big strong man to open a jar.
You're asking me? After all that seasoning, it didn't taste like shit.
Alright, taste test number 2.
Oh, it's hard.
That was a lot.
And now we wait.
You got it.
It smells so good.
Where's the cabbage?
The what? What cabbage?
Safira, where's the cabbage?
Cabbage? They're bad. I don't know.
Okay, well, you guys can buy some more cabbage on the way back.
Okay. We
I
didn't.
fucking called it, bro.
I didn't even know we were supposed to get a cabbage.
We were supposed to get a cabbage.
It's okay, we expected it.
Yeah, we literally called it.
Where?
Outside. What's up?
Crackhead number 2.
Cracker number 2.
Who's that?
I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Hey Joe, if I hold your camera like the whole day, am I get paid?
Sure.
So we're gonna have the hot pot, veggies, the soup. We got meat in here. We got and this Mindy. So Joe was our boss.
We're all unemployed.
That's right. And now we are unemployed at the same time.
How much was that cat food? Royal Canin? That must be the best of the best, man.
Pretty good.
It's pretty good. Have you ate it?
Ooh, this is.
You actually ate it?
Yeah. It's fish.
Yeah.
Ew! I never ate it.
Pretty bomb.
He's gonna take another bite.
Safira, I don't trust Joe.
Is it actually?
He freaking swallowed it, dude.
It's pretty okay.
Yeah.
It smells like
fishy.
salt egg though.
Oh yeah, it does.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's salt egg.
Nah.
Bro!
Yo! Yo!
Oh.
Hey yo, if your cat eats it, why can't you?
He's a cat. I'm not an animal.
You are an animal, yeah.
You're all equal here. You don't treat your cat as an equal?
No.
Ooh.
Paloma.
Oh. We're holding hands.
Is air in the lung inside or outside the body?
Air in the lung, inside or outside the body.
Air what?
Air in the lung, inside or outside the body.
Yeah, it's inside. Cause you
It's just the inside, right?
Your lungs are inside.
Yeah, right. Right.
How was volleyball? Did he win?
He was so good. He was like really, really good. No, seriously. Do you like watching? Like me and Sarah. Like Sarah, your girlfriend. Ex-girlfriend, sorry.
You're single.
Imagine, yeah. I'm single.
Hey,
I'm single too out here, so.
No free clout? Cut the camera.
what?
Oh, there you go. Hank made it. We miss you, Hank.
You're wearing the sweatshirt.
Oh yeah. Oh, the Japanese.
Who bought it?
He bought it with Joe, but Joe didn't wear
Yeah, I
it.
got the t-shirt.
Oh, yeah.
Joe has a t-shirt. Ew.
What do you mean, ew? Alright, let's eat. Yo, Hank, so are you? Wait, so am I your best friend?
Of course.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh, Paloma!
Yo, he always says Paloma.
Paloma.
Hi.
Video. Yeah, the first video.
I shared
Now you're gonna get even more views, Simon.
Shut the
It takes me an hour to do this makeup, and then you couldn't tell if I was wearing makeup.
Yeah.